day 76. This is covering events that occurred on November 13th, 2022. So I did my 45 minutes of walking and a 5-minute jog, and then I spent the majority of the day working books and spending time with family, and then also I had a skill session, a live skill session with another coach, and I did a training module on Remote Wellness Academy. So I'm almost done module 3. I have one more skill session, but all the work has been done. Just got to finish that one last live skill session. I have an appointment on Friday with another student to do that. So we have to do it with, to group up type of exercise. All right, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.